So if you want to study natural resources, forestry, wildlife ecology, and even parks and recreation, I definitely think that Auburn is one of the best schools that you could pick for that, just because of all the opportunity and the engagement that you'll be able to receive. I'm Emily. I am a senior in Wildlife Ecology and Management in the College of Forestry, Wildlife, and Environment. I chose Auburn to study Wildlife Ecology and Management because it was close to home, and I've always been an Auburn fan my whole life, and so I just felt like it was right to stay still close to home, but also be able to get all the opportunity that I could within Auburn. So here at Practicum, we get to do a lot of stuff that we would be able to use in the field that we wouldn't otherwise have learned in class. And so a lot of it is thoroughly examining what to do when you're in the field and things are getting thrown at you that you didn't think that you'd have to run into. And so it's kind of a learning experience, and you get to, try out all the methods and see which one works best for you. A lot of us, either want to be game wardens or environmental educators or just want to work in land management. And so all of us too, even with the foresters that are here, we all are helping each other do the jobs that we want to do. So it's a lot of hands-on learning, and all of the faculty and staff will help you get more of those opportunities outside of classing and, in the field, so where you can get your hands on stuff too. So having a campus like the Solon-Dixon Center is very nice, but also there's 5,000 acres, so we're able to go wherever on the property and still be able to learn because there's diversity in every single stand that there even is. After Auburn, I think I want to pursue environmental education. I really thoroughly enjoy teaching, all ages about the environment that I've learned about for 3.5 years now, with these hands-on experiences through either practicum or the labs in your class. And I know that I'm a hands-on learner, and so I think some of the things that I've learned will definitely, stick with me for the rest of my life.